Sending.
The USDA is trying to kind of split the baby. They don't want to require it and offend the industry, but they understand people are outraged about this.
Yeah. Maybe it's time to face the music. Here's a way to split the baby, and I want to go to Paul on this. You're actually calling for an October rate hike.
I'll split the baby with you at 8.
How about 7.5?
Okay. Is that about finding some sort of, is there an actual legal avenue for that, or do you see that more as just a talking point to kind of split the baby?
And 4 games for Tom Brady. Or you could kind of split the baby here and say that you believe that Tom Brady had less knowledge of it than you thought, and kind of break up this punishment a little bit.
And I remember it was a law professor, I believe, at the University of Texas that first threw out this idea that there was a, quote, way to split the baby here on the mandate versus the tax.
Well, look, a million things could happen. If you're going to ask me for a number, I would say 5. But this really depends.
What's that number?
It's 5. I'm splitting the baby. I'm wimping out.
Judge Stallman.
Judge Stallman, what he does is stall. First, he's not on time, which he's not. And then,
No, but just so to be clear,
is that he lets both sides have their say, and he usually splits the baby. Everybody, it's as if you're in a custody battle and you each get 1/2 of the baby. Right. That's where the expression comes from. But we're expecting the ruling any second.
I mean, President Obama actually was able to split the baby on this one. He made sure that women's rights are being protected, that religious rights are being protected. I don't understand.
Lawmakers in both states, along with the governors, of course, searching for alternatives that would satisfy everyone. John, does the fact that these two legislators met their end-of-week deadlines mean that on this contentious issue, gay rights, business groups, and religious right, that there is a way to split the baby?
And King Solomon said, bring me a sword. Divide the living child in 2. Give half to the one and half to the other. Except I can't split the baby. Solomon didn't have to.